Hello guys, we are on 5.3, okay? 5.3 they say consider that expression over there, okay? 5.3.1 they say simplify the expression to a single trigonometric ratio, okay? We are having it for 4 marks, okay? Let's try it, okay? We are having the expression like that, okay? Then let's try it, okay? With this one, we just leave it like this for now, okay? Then we just copy it. We're going to have 3 cos x multiplied the sin x, okay? Then with this one, we are having the tan there, and the tan is an identity, okay? Then we can replace it by sin x over the cos x there, okay? Then here we are having the squared there, okay? We don't know what much about the squared. Then we express it like that, okay? We are going to have 180 there, subtracting the x, everything to the square there, okay? Then we are having it like that, okay? Then now we deal with whatever which is here, okay? Then here we're still having the 3 cos x multiplying the sin x, okay? Then here we're still having the sin x over the cos x. Then here now we deal with this, okay? 180 degrees minus it falls in the second quadrant, okay? And in the second quadrant cosine is negative, then we end up with negative cos x, okay? Then we're still having the square there, okay? Then here we're still having the 3 cos x multiplying the sin x there, okay? Then here we're still having the sin x over the cos x there, okay? Then here we express it like this to avoid mistakes, okay? We have 2 brackets there, okay? We express it like this to avoid the problems, okay? Then here we are still having the 3 cos x multiplying the sin x, okay? Here, since we are having the 2 brackets there, okay? We are having the square there, then we expanded it to 2 brackets, okay? Negative multiplying the negative, it gives us positive, okay? It gives us positive. Then and we can represent this like that, okay? Are we together there? Then the numerators multiply each other, okay? This one is going to multiply that one and that one, okay? Then the cosine is going to multiply the one and the other one, okay? Then here we can say this cosine is going to divide that one, okay? Then we're going to remain with this sin x and a cos x, okay? Here the negatives, they give us a positive, okay? Then here we'll end up with what? We'll end up with 1 sin x multiplying the cos x there, okay? Here we are having the cos x and x, and here we are having the sin x and the cos x, okay? Remember, in multiplication, position doesn't matter, okay? You can arrange this like 3 sin x cos x, okay? Or this one like cos x and x, it doesn't matter, okay? Position doesn't matter there, okay? Then we can say this one, they are the same. These are their like terms, okay? Then we can add them. Then we end up with 4 cos x multiplying the sin x there, okay? Then here we can sense the double angle. We can sense the double angle for the cosine there, okay? But the double angle for the cosine there, it got the 2, okay? It got the 2. Let's look at the information see there, okay? Here's the double angle for the I mean for the sine, not for the cosine, okay? For the sine. Then here we are having 2 sine of an angle and the cos of the same angle, okay? We must have 2, okay? Then here it means we must express it in terms of 2. Then we express it like this, okay? We express it like this: 2 multiplying the 2, the cos x multiplying the sin x, okay? Remember, position doesn't matter. This one can come here, that one to the other side, okay? Then this will replace it by the double angle for the cosine. Then we end up with 2 to the sine the sine of 2x, okay? Then we have it like that, okay? Remember the whole lot of thing, we replaced it by that, okay? Then we have it like that. Then we are done like that. We have expressed this into a single trigonometric ratio, okay? We started here somewhere. Here we expressed this with its own identity. Then here we dealt with the squared to avoid the confusion. Then here we reduced the inside there. We had this, okay? Then again, to avoid the confusion, we had two brackets, okay? Negative, negative, it gives us positive. Then this one divided that one. Then we remained with the 2. There they are. Then we added them together. We had that. Then we expressed 4 in terms of 2, 2. Okay. Then we ended up with a single trig ratio there. Okay. Then let's go to 5.3.2. Okay. They say hence write down the range of f at x equals to this expression there. Okay. Let's give it a try there. Okay. That is our 5.3.2. okay. Let's see the f at x, okay. Remember, we have simplified this to a single trig ratio, okay. We said it's the same as 2 sine 2x, okay. And here we're going to replace it by 2 sine 2x, okay. Then the question there, they need the range, okay. Remember, with the range, we are talking about the y values covered by the graph or the function, okay. Since here we are having the function of f there, okay. Then for us to answer this one, okay, we need to remember about the trigonometric functions there, okay. Remember this is the a, okay, and the a tells us about the amplitude, okay. And here this is the value of k, okay. And the value of k there, the value of k deals with the period there, okay. In this case, we can say this 2 there is going to have the period there, okay. Let's try to come up with the sketch for between the 0 degrees and the 360 degrees there, okay. Then here we are having our beautiful Cartesian plane like that, okay. Here we are saying it is 0, okay. Let's have it by 45, okay. Then here we're going to have the 45 degrees. Then we should have the 90 degrees. Then here we should have the 185, okay. Then we're going to have what is it, the 180. Then we're going to have the 180 there, 180 degrees. Then we're going to have let's leave it like that, okay. Then here we're going to have 1, we're going to have 2. Then here we're going to have -1, -2, okay. Here we are having our y values. Here we should have the x values there, okay. Then let's try to get the values there when we punch on our calculator, okay. Then here we are having our calculator, okay. Then we're going to try to punch there sine 2 into 2 of what, of 0 degrees there, okay. We have 0, okay. Then it means 0 degrees give us 0 there, okay. Then we try the 45. We try 45, it gives us what? It gives us 2, okay. Then this is 45 gives us 2 there, okay. Then a 90 should give us a 0. Then a 90 should give us a 0 there. 90 gives us a 0, okay. Then it means the 135 should give us -2 there. And it gives us -2, okay. This is -2. Then the 180 there should give us 0, okay? Then we try to join them, okay? Sorry for that. Then when we join them, we must have something of this magnitude, okay? Then that should be the the function for f, okay? Then here we said our a represent the amplitude, okay? Remember the amplitude is the maximum displacement from the position of rest, okay? This is the position of rest. Then the maximum distance is from here to there, okay? From here to there is 2. That's why here we are having the 2, okay? Even from here to there we are having 2, okay? Then this is the value of k, okay? If the value of k there is a natural number there like this one, we know that this in this case is 2, okay? Then it's going to reduce the period, okay? You see the period now is 1, it is not 360, okay? Because of this 2 there. If it was gonna be 1 over 2, it was gonna stretch like that, okay? Then now when we are talking about the range, we are talking about the y values covered by the graph, okay? If you can check this graph, it starts here from -2 going to 2, okay, in the y direction. Then it means our range starts from -2 up to 2, okay? Then here we can see the range there we can express it in two ways. The first one, and then we can say y is element of, okay? Remember these numbers are part of the graph, then we use what? The square bracket there, okay? It starts from -2 going to 2 there, okay? Or we can express it like this to say it starts from 2, whereby -2 is also part of the graph is included, okay? Then here we must have the y, and it should be like that, okay? Then that should be the range, okay? Yeah, if you have any question you can ask, okay? We are having it like that. Then that is the range, okay? Bye.